Cook the meal. My mother is cooking the meal. I cook the meal to help my parents. Scrub the floor. I started to scrub the floor. She used the brush to scrub the floor. Vacuum the floor. She is vacuuming the floor. You should vacuum the floor every day. Water the flowers. She is watering the flowers. I have to water the flowers. Tidy up. It's your turn to tidy up the room. The room is a mess. Please tidy up. Hang out the clothes. Please hang out the clothes. She is hanging out the clothes on a clothesline. Open the window. Open the door. It's so hot in here. Can I open the window? Don't open the door to strangers. It's not safe. Clear the table. I cleared the table after dinner. The waiter is clearing the table in the restaurant. Answer the phone. I probably won't answer the phone. He answered the phone but didn't say anything. Pick up the toys. She picked up her toys. Can you please pick up your toys? Wipe off the table. Don't forget to wipe off the table. Ask the waitress to wipe off the table. Move the furniture. They are moving the furniture. Could you help me move the furniture? Mow the lawn. I mow the lawn every week in summer. It took me 2 hours to mow the lawn. Feed the dog. He is feeding the dog. I feed my dog 2 cups of dog food every evening. Cut the grass. I am just going to cut the grass. We need a lawnmower to cut the grass. Dust the shelves. She dusts the shelves every day. I need to dust the doorknob. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. I do the dishes every day, so I'm used to it. It was my turn to wash the dishes. Sweep the floor. He is sweeping the floor. I use a broom to sweep the floor.